we are here today to discuss on how we cohere and live with each other. This initiative from the Catholic Church and other stakeholders is to bring peace and integration amongst us in leadership, in community, in entangles that are facing us as a society and as a nation. And we are concerned as stakeholders in everything that is happening.
It's a collective initiative that we're advocating for peace and encouraging our leaders for dialogue, encouraging the people within the community to have dialogue and conversation. If there are issues that need to be addressed, then they should be addressed in an amicable way than having violence that we've been experiencing. So we urge everyone to be part of this process, and all the stakeholders and all the duty bearers, the people who are mandated to enforce law and adhere to the rule of law, and more especially to our leaders, to look into the national values and principles that are governing this country under Article 10 of the Kenyan Constitution. Let us uphold that particular article that is very key in entrenching the rule of law within the society.
Kwa hivyo wewe unaweza kuwa leader ama unaweza kuwa misleader. Kwa hivyo viongozi ujiulize, wewe ni leader ama wewe ni misleader.
Thank you so much for this dialogue, because it's an eye opener. It's something that is bringing together everyone to be able to air their views and also implement and give new ways on how we move forward in addressing some of these issues.